Hello everyone! So today I'm going to show you how to connect the Xiaomi Smart Band 9 to an iPhone. First of all, open up your Play Store. Now you gotta find your Mi Fitness. Mi Fitness. Alright, here it is. So open it up and press install. So after it's installed, you simply press open. Alright, so we are to grant permission to use Bluetooth. It's necessary to connect to our band, so let's press OK, press start. You are to agree to the terms and conditions. Press agree. Now you are to choose your region, so choose the region which you're in. Alright, press next. Now in this application, press device and press add device. Alright, press OK. You will be prompted to sign into your Xiaomi account. So simply put all of your information, agree to the privacy policy, and let's go to the next step. Alright, so after you've logged into your Xiaomi account, now you are to complete your profile before you get started, right? So enter your gender, enter your height, your weight, and enter your date of birth, right? Press OK and press done. Now you are allowed to use your location, allow while using the app, allow it to send notifications. You can turn sync or not, so think your workout and fitness data on all your devices. I'll press cancel, I don't need this. Now let's press add device. So our phone has started searching for the watch, and I think it's already found it, right? So simply press on it, confirm your choice by pressing pair. Now on your watch, confirm your choice by pressing pair once again, press allow, and we're connected successfully, as you see. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.